Just a quick video on mostly how to use the spectrophotometer. You'll be making up your dilutions in a volumetric flask like this. To use the spectrophotometer, you'll need to put water in it, and once you put a cuvette in, then you can see the display. You'll want it to read 700. You make it read 700 by moving this dial back and forth. Okay. You move that dial all the way to the end, and that'll be 700. The water should have an absorption of 0. That's your blank. Then, and then we can put one of our cuvettes in that has the copper sulfate, and then make sure that the absorption is still at 700. I'm sorry, that the wavelength is at 700, and then read off the absorption.